notice how we don't have to teach our kids to be selfish? Instead, we have to be intentional about helping our kids build character traits such as kindness, compassion, empathy, and selflessness.
Generous Family hopes to help families as we develop a lifestyle of Christ-like generosity. And that seems like a really big goal. But the Generous Students Homeschool Curriculum Kit presents 26 lessons to help parents attain this goal. If you want a faith-based curriculum that will help you emphasize character and values for your homeschool kids, the Generous Students Homeschool Curriculum Kit may be just what you're looking for to put this into practice throughout this coming homeschool year.
This entire curriculum is based on trying to get your kids to be understand the value of being grateful and being generous. And so I think it's a really unique curriculum. So it's unique, it's complete, it's clear and organized, and it is cute, colorful, and high quality.
I just want to encourage you to check out Generous Family and their Generous Students Homeschool Curriculum Kit. I think you're going to love this. It's such an easy way to add some kindness, some character development, some generosity to your day, and specifically in a way that's not going to overwhelm you or your kids, but you're just going to lay that foundation a little bit at a time, which really does go a long way in developing generosity.
One of my favorite parts of this curriculum is the hero stories. These everyday examples will encourage the entire family to live generously.
I love that there are so many hands-on activities included and just so many different ways of learning the concepts. It's a really great way to make sure that everybody in the family is learning and remembering the information no matter what their learning style, and that even the youngest kids are engaged and interested in hands-on activities that will help them be able to learn the concepts as well.
So I think that this program is absolutely fabulous. I absolutely love the whole idea of it. I love how easily it's planned out and you can incorporate it at any point into your school year. This is something I could even see repeating. Do it for one of your school years, wait a couple years, and then do it again once your kids are at different ages. They're going to experience different things in life. If maybe you're going through a hard season with one of your kids, maybe they are struggling a little bit with friendships or just kind of finding a good purpose in life. Maybe they're not using their time wisely. These conversations, this curriculum allows those conversations a little bit easier.